State asida flood early warning system Chahi ama ani asigi Manungda Thamnaba Hotnari haina Water Resources Department ge Executive Engineer Wotrami Marchang na phongdorakli wafom ase ngasi lamphal pat leiba State Water Informatics Center SWIC ke training holder flood forecasting and mitigation in Manipur haiba hiramda ngasi ge horaga numit nini chathagadaba workshop cum training program howdokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokkibane. Water Resources Department के State Project Monitoring Unit SPMU National Hydrology Project NHP amadi National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur Flues Manipur Project Team Department of Civil Engineering na punna sinduna pangtokpa workshop aduga mari lena Flues Manipur ke Nodal Officer su oriba Water Resource Department ke Division ani ke Executive Engineer Wotrami Marchang hai NIT Manipur ga khutsam naraga Water Resource Department na National Hydrology Project NHP haiba project ama paikhatle project asigi makada flood early warning system flues project ase paikhatmane hojik project asigi data sing khomgat bahore marag asida state asigi maru oiba turel singda automatic water level recorder machine sing kenduna turel gi imagi data sing loduna study tawba hore amaromda State Water Resource Information System haiba portal amaso semgat naba thorang tawre portal asigi khuthangda miyamda flood ke warning alert sing pigane system ase thabakta onthoraklabadi ising ichau thokthringai mamangda miyamna mangjong nana jackson thorang lokhatpada achouba ngaklo ama oiragane hainasu mahakna makha takhe.
Automatic water level recorder haina ekoi install tawba hawre ekoi river sida as a pilot study oina haibadi fully functional makti oidri but project lakhini lakpasida ekoi along the cross of the river the ekoi dugumba instrument install tawraga water level kyamu kakhat khre and then shumuk nong chubasi shumuk oirabadi shumuk kano ising chawgani ado chawragana kyamu effect tawgani haibase ekoi kan hotnari ado sigi manung sida ekoi na portal phajaba ma portal ma semgat ke tawri State Water Resource Information System haina masigi system sina tawge tawba maram sinadi ekoi na data install tawkiba instrument mayam dagi level lakpa mayam si ekoi na public alert pigani and then we'll be linking with DIT koi ga link tawgani aduga ekoi na adu water level to information to sandokpa matamda particularly DIT da ngatang chatloi but public end users haibatare for a particular section amadagi section amadu da ekoi na water level smuk yaure ising smuk chawga dawre haibasi alert oina mogi phone da ting 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 haina mayam thokrakani adugi system dune ekoi hoji State Water Resource Information System haina semgat ka dawri basi
Thauram mari lainana Flues Manipur Project lead su oiriba NIT Manipur ke Associate Professor Ngangbam Romezin hai flood early warning system Flues Manipur haiba project ase yamna scientific oiba top project amane early warning system asida tongan ba model sing yauri system ase leiragade ising ichau thorak thringai mamangda miyamna mangjong nana checksin thorang lokatpada khudong chaba kaya pigane project ase state asigi oina mamang chahi ge April dage horakhibane project ase mathang chahi kumja English ngani sukna kun manga fawbugi manungda loishinaba pandam thamdi haina mahakna makata ke
flood early warning system Sigi kana bamna akhoi ising chawgadaba no kana tagadaba suma lakadaba se akhoi pung nifu nipan natra khundran thoi hadi numini ni natra numithun mi mangna khangmanga babnina akhoi na masi akhoi na chapchana khangba se akhoi 100% haibadi ngamjade adubu kaino da masi 95% 90% ni changda dum chummi aduga masi aduga atopa singna akhoi gi hojiki akhoi na mamangda khabada ka thengnabi duna tureni leima yenga hairapani na akhoi da pungani hum dagi haina akhoi da lead time phangde action akhoi gi reaction time phangdabnina akhoi da government authority to see awaba moy adu chakari makhoi numini ni natra humni mama khangmam targadi akhoi da mobilization gumba tawba the planning tawda so akhoi da matam do phangmani na aduna kana ga khanse aduna masi project amaro iba project ni akhoi chumna gi research tawda banati masi capacity building aduga ground da lagi da ba akhoi gi relief disaster management gi NGO sing adagi mani village block level da leba akhoi village authority lai sing ba adagi panchayat level da ba si loina mak moina implement taw bi ga dawni akhoi di technical ro akhoi na knowledge akhoi na idea share taw akhoi na warning chi pi gani authority sing da DC district manager sing da aduga makhoi na mu disseminate ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯏꯆꯦꯅ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯩꯗꯤ ꯐꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ
Ngasidagi horiba workshop cum training program aduda Indian Meteorological Department IMD ge Regional Meteorological Center ge head KN Mohan, Center asigi scientist Sunit Das, Northeastern Space Application Center NESAC ke scientist Dr. Arup Borgahen, NIT Manipur ge Department of Civil Engineering ge Associate Professor NG Romesi, District Relief Officer Akoizam Ranjit Kumar amadi Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center Marse ke scientist singna resource person oina saruk yari ngasigi workshop hawdokpagi thoramadda Water Resources Department ke Chief Engineer Remmai Alimmai NIT Manipur ge Director Professor Somaya Zulu Marse ke Director O Nodia Chan amadi NIT ge Registrar Professor K H Tombana President Member Singh oina saruk yakhe